So I am Abigail by name. Join me as I interview some core members for today's Tech Talk event. Thank you.
My name is Blessing Fashaki.
Fashaki Blessing. All right, Blessing, how was your experience here?
Well, I thank God the experience was good. I learned a lot about, this is not my first time actually learning, but actually added to my knowledge, most especially about the Google form, how to create Google form, then how to add some other features. It's nice being here.
All right, thank you very much for that. Thank you so much, Blessing. The way you are smiling like this, like you enjoy this program.
Actually, I actually enjoy the program, and the most interesting part is the game part, because even though I didn't win because I was unable to start the game on time. I think I joined the game probably after 3 questions has been answered, and though I still love the way it was going, that people are like, I want to play. It was interesting.
Can I ask what was your position?
I don't even know, because I was not among the top 5 or top 6. Yeah, so.
Alright, thank you for coming. It was nice having you.
It was enlightening in a word. I was able to learn something new today, yes. Though I was already familiar with some of the tools that were taught today, but I actually could learn 1 or 2 in each session. I really enjoyed today's session. So like I said, enlightening in a word.
Okay, thank you very much. Do you have anything else you want to say?
Well, what I want to say, I just want to appreciate the whole SQI management. We had the tech talk the last time, and today we are having this training, so I also to really thank them. Whenever I feel like I have nothing to learn, whenever I come here, I feel like, I have more to learn and I have more to do. So they always open my eyes to a new experience every time. So thank you for that, SQI.
It was nice. I learned about Google Meet, Google Forms, how to use Google Forms, how to use Google Meet to create meetings, link up with people and all of that. So it was actually nice. Yes, the experience was nice for me.
How about yours? Same thing she said was insightful, and I learned a lot of things. As she said, she mentioned Google Form, Google Meet, Google Calendar, and how that I can use that to set reminders and do a lot of things with it. So I loved it.
In short, did you enjoy it, and do you have any extra thing you want to say?
Of course, I enjoyed it. There's really nothing much to say. I think right now I would have to plan towards getting money, joining the school, and learning much more. Joining the tech industry or something like that.
But you have, I think I learned that you have it at 5% of the 35%.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sure that's good.
Yes, that's
okay, so what about you? Yes, like I said earlier, I said I loved it, and I would really like to appreciate SQI for setting this up. I mean, a lot of people here, even though we are coppers, might not really have that experience or know what Google Form is and what we can do with it. So I would like to give them kudos for setting this up. Thank you so much. And to the 35% off, we really appreciate it. And we hope the price is something we can still pay for.
I'm sure whether with or without the 35%, I'm sure you can pay for it. I am very sure. Alright, thank you very much for coming in. Thank you so much.
It was very wonderful and enlightening. We got to learn about a lot of things, and for the first time I heard about Notebook LM and Kahoot games. I should try it out sometime. This is actually a gift from the Kahoot games.
Oh, you won?
Third, actually.
Whoa. That's nice. Alright. I'm sure you enjoyed the experience, and do you have any other thing you want to say, you want to add?
The experience was actually very interesting and enlightening, to be fair. The facilitators were all engaging and answered our questions and took their time to take us through the different tools in Google WhatsApp. And I don't really think I have anything to add, because they said they did it all. It was point blank period in Gen Z's word.
Alright, thank you very much. Do you have anything to say to SQI?
You are doing the Lord's work, to be very honest, and I believe that you should carry on, you should continue, and many people are actually interested in this digital but in this digital, skill learning and skill improvements and innovation. So I think you guys should continue. And to be fair, I actually saw you guys online before I knew of you guys in this place. I saw you on Twitter. Yeah. someone was recommending it to someone, and I was like, oh, okay, they have something like that in Ogbomoso, because I never wanted to come here for NYC, so fair enough.
I think I can relate to that.
So like you guys are actually out there. You have people that are testifying to your good work, and I think you should continue. Not you should continue. I know you want to continue, but like the grace and the strength to continue. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much, Precious. It was so nice to have you.
Thank you too.